So, you are now tuned into Let's Talk Podcast, where we talk less but do more. Today is episode 82, and today's episode is labeled 5 Steps to Look Good Every Day When You Work Full-Time Hours. When you work a full-time job, 40 plus hours a week, how to look good, how to stay looking good on a day-to-day basis. Little backstory, little intro. If you know me, I work a lot. And when I'm working consecutive days, which is all the time, I'll wear a little, I'm in my bathroom, I'll wear like a little work hat. And when I got this work hat on, that means I'm not touching my hair for days. When I tell you, take the work hat off, put the bonnet on. I'm not touching my hair for days. Don't do that. Don't do that, because I've noticed when I don't touch my hair, even when I shower, wash my face, whatever, when I don't touch my hair and I just go to work, come home, shower, get into bed, my skin starts to break out. I don't feel good. I feel restless. I'm all over the place. So what I've recently been incorporating into my life, considering the fact that I work how I work so I can do the things that I want to do, these 5 very simple, very minimal steps to looking good every day. Because since my birthday, you can't tell me, Nathan, it's nothing you can tell me. Every day I'm looking good. I don't care if I'm going to the grocery store. I look good, I look presentable. Off the wake up right now. Off the wake up. What was said? Okay. So, step 1. Simple but effective, consistent skincare. I always wanted to be a skincare girly, but I need something. I have a 5-year-old. I need something very fast, quick, that's going to work. Something I can do every day I don't have to jump through loops of fire to do. I use Cetaphil for my cleanser. I use my Cetaphil. And for my moisturizer, my whole show about to fall. For my moisturizer, I use this. I went and got a facial and I bought this, and I've had this for so long because you literally don't need a lot. Every morning I wake up, I wash my face with my Cetaphil, and I moisturize my face, and I go on about my day. There might be other steps to that, but that is what worked for me, okay? These are all things that work for me. Step 1, always wash your face before you go to bed. Always. I don't care how tired you is. Wash your face. I don't care how late you stay out, how drunk you get. I don't care. You have to wash that makeup off. If you have no makeup, if you're just coming off of work, wash your face. Taking a shower, washing your face. No. When you get out the shower, really wash your face. Moisturize your face. You have to have some type of routine. It has to be consistent, and you have to do it. You have to. It's not up for debate. Step 2, do not neglect your hair. Okay. Like I said, when I wear my little work hats, I go days. Probably a full straight week. If I'm working 5 days, it's 5 days with me not touching my hair. Lately, I've been getting hairstyles that I don't have to do much with. Usually it's braids. Braids, I wake up and go. But I noticed with braids, I got too comfortable. Because it's like, my hair braided. I'm not about to do my edges. I'm just leaving and I'm looking crazy. So this quick weave, I literally, sometimes I've been the front, straight in the front. But like today, I just woke up and I still look presentable. I still look good. Braids, you may even do a slick back bun and you can tie it up at night. Just get low maintenance hairstyles. The key to this whole video is low maintenance. Get something with good quality so you don't have to keep touching up. Like this hair, this is some of the best hair I've had in a long time. I had this hair in since January 31st. This hair is so good. I literally wake up and go. Wake up and go. Literally. Step 3, outside of your work uniform, still look presentable. For me again. If I don't have on no scrub, ain't no telling what you're going to catch me in. I'm throwing on anything. I'm running to take my daughter to school. I'm throwing on anything. I'm going to the store. I'm throwing anything because I feel like I got to go to work later anyway. No. Take pride in how you look no matter where. I don't care if you're going to the mailbox. Take pride in how, one thing I don't do, I don't wear a bonnet outside. That's ridiculous. Take pride in how you look outside of your work uniform just as well as your work uniform. I will usually throw on the scrub and go to work. Now, I still don't iron. I need to get an iron. I need to. But make sure you're not wrinkled. Make sure you just look put together. You should always look put together, because my single ladies, how we going to find our husband that's not dusty if we outside looking dusty? No. No more looking dusty. I don't care if you work every day this week. Get your shit together. I'm sorry. Step 4, prioritize your hygiene. Y'all won't believe I worked with a girl one time and she was like, I'm so tired. I'm not even taking no shower. I'm just gonna take my clothes off and sleep on the couch. You gonna do what? I'm gonna hold your hand when I tell you this. You never too tired to wash that ass. You're never too tired to wash that ass. Ever. Wash your ass. Wash your ass. Get you a scent. Get you a perfume that's yours, that you love, and you Gucci. You clean and you smell good, you Gucci. That's the icing on the cake. The scent, the hygiene, the cleanliness, I can't pronounce it. That's the icing on the cake. Even if you don't really look that good today, but we ain't doing that. But you know, we might have a bad day. You smell good, you clean. 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. You still passing. Also, drink water. Water play a big role in how you feel, for one, and how you smell. You might not know this. You should. Water play a big role in how you feel, also how you smell. Water play a big role in how you smell. And I'm gonna leave that there. Step 5, your confidence and your energy matter. How you carry yourself matter. And that is why a lot of times, women especially, our outfits don't have to cost that much. Your outfits don't have to cost that much. You don't have to have the highest of anything, because it's always about how you carry yourself. You walk into a room and you look like $1 million because you feel like $1 million because your confidence is on 10. Your confidence on 10, so the way you carry yourself is on 10, so you walk in that room and you owning it. Period. Your confidence and how you carry yourself is the number. That should have been step 1. But that's, the icing on the cake is the hygiene, the confidence, and the way you carry yourself, then the sprinkles on the top, okay? And then that's the cupcake is done. The hygiene, how you smell and all of that, that's the icing. You top it off with that confidence and how you carry yourself, you're good. 10 out of 10, you're good. These are all things to help you look good on a daily basis. Because me personally, it was like, I remember my sister was like, "Sure, you used to keep your hair done, you used to keep your nails done, you used to do this, you used to do that." And I used to be like, I work so much. That's not no excuse. That is not no excuse to not look good. You look good, you feel good, you feel good, you look good. It go hand in hand. Another step I want to add in is I switched from wearing tips to just wearing shellac. And what helps me with wearing shellac instead of wearing actual like acrylic and tips, when your nails don't grow out as fast. That acrylic make your nails grow real fast. When you're just wearing shellac, wearing polish, it still gives that nice clean look. But you may be able to go a couple weeks if you can't make it. Your nails are not going to be all the way up here. It's not going to look crazy. So that's another step you can use in looking good on a daily basis. Switching over from wearing tips and acrylics to just wearing shellac. That will help you, and it will also save you money. And these are my 5 steps to looking good every day while working a full-time job. Whether you work, go to school, or you're a mother, you can still do all those things on a daily basis, and you can still look good on a daily basis. Take it from me. I look good, right? Right?